Panasonic Vmz60 Series in 60 seconds. Vmz60 Series project 6000 lumen brightness in this light, compact body. The 1.6 times zoom lens and vertical and horizontal lens shift enables flexible installation accordingly. This projector can instantly project images after power on. There's no cool down required. It's safe to switch the unit off at any time. And laser light source operation extends up to 20,000 hours, lowering maintenance cost, labor, and waste. If you are considering projector in business and education scene, VMZ is the best fit.